In this video, we will outline the steps for programming top-down, bottom-up, and TriLight Powerwand shades. Before any programming or operation, we need to wake up the motors. To wake up both motors, start with the left wand, and then repeat the same steps for the right wand. Press the stop button 5 times. The first 4 times press quickly, and the 5th time press and hold the stop button until the motor jogs. The 4 limits, top and bottom for the middle rail, and top and bottom for the bottom rail, are all set independent of each other. If a limit needs to be adjusted, follow these steps. Move the desired rail to the limit that needs to be adjusted. Press and release the programming button. The shade will jog 1 time. Move the shade to the desired limit and press the programming button again. The shade will jog 1 time. The limit has now been adjusted. Now we'll program a favorite position. Top down, bottom up, and TriLight shades feature 2 rails. Each rail can have 1 favorite position. The steps to set a favorite position are the same for both rails. Move the rail to the desired position. Press and release the programming button. The shade will jog 1 time. Press and release the programming button again. The shade will jog 1 time. The favorite position has now been set. Once the favorite position is set, the shade will always stop at the desired favorite position during normal operation. A short press moves an individual rail, while a long press moves both rails together. If the shade stops at the favorite position, press the up or down button again, and the shade will move to the set top or bottom limit. To delete a favorite position, move the desired rail to the existing favorite position. Press and hold the programming button for 7 seconds. The shade will jog 2 times. The favorite position has been deleted. Repeat the steps for the second rail if necessary. While it is possible to factory reset the shade, this may only be necessary in more advanced troubleshooting situations. For a factory reset, we must reset both rails. To factory reset the shade, press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. The shade will jog 1 time. Press and hold the programming button for 7 seconds. The shade will jog 2 times. Repeat these steps for the second rail. Your shade has now been reset. Now, all 4 rails must have their limits reestablished. This must be done in this order: middle rail top limit, bottom rail top limit, bottom rail bottom limit, and middle rail bottom limit. Follow these steps to set all the limits for this shade. Press the programming button on the left wand. The motor jogs 1 time and enters limit setting mode. Press the up button to move the middle rail to the desired top limit position. Press the programming button again. The motor jogs and saves the middle rail top limit. Next, press the up button on the right wand to move the bottom rail to the desired top limit position. Press the programming button on the right wand and the motor will jog 1 time. Entering limit setting mode, press the programming button again. The motor jogs and saves the bottom rail top limit. Next, press the down button on the right wand and move the bottom rail to the desired bottom limit position. Press the programming button on the right wand and the motor will jog 1 time, entering limit setting mode. Press the programming button again. The motor jogs and saves the bottom rail bottom limit. Press the down button on the left wand, moving the middle rail to the desired bottom limit position. Press the programming button on the left wand. The motor will jog 1 time, showing it has entered the limit setting mode. We're going to press the programming button again. The motor will jog once to show that the middle rail bottom limit has been set. The shade is now ready for use.